Yeah, good morning, online students. Is it audio is clear? Let me know once.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. Okay. See this question. So yesterday we have discussed one important properties, also ratio, how to solve the questions we already discussed. For the last question, I think we have discussed the last question will be this, right? Yes. Now next question this. A sum is distributed between A B C in such a way that A plus B plus C plus D is in the ratio of 15, 17, 20. If A gives 500 from his share to C, the ratio of the shares of A, B, C becomes 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. What is the sum of the shares of B and C? That I need to find out. Okay, then how to solve this question? Okay, how to solve this question? So very simple. First A plus B, I know ratio. A plus B is 15 and B plus C is 17 and C plus D is 20. So this is the A plus B plus C plus D. Then A gives 500 from his share to C. The ratio of A, B, C is this. You do it. Now tell me what is the ratio of this. Yesterday we solved. How to find out ratio of 1 by 3 is 2. 1 by 4 is 2. 1 by 2. You try to do it and tell me answer, everyone. Do it and tell. No? 4? Okay. How to solve that? How to do it? LCM. Yes, you have to do it LCM and you try. Try that question. You try to do it first, then I will solve it. Easy question, not so difficult question. First you convert that numbers, you will get easily. A plus B plus C plus D. I'll give 2 minutes time. You try to do it. Options also you have. Others also reply in online. Try. Whether right or wrong, don't worry. But you try. YouTube students also reply. How to find out this? Actually it is C plus A, not C plus D, sorry. It is C plus A. Typing wrong. C plus A it is. Then only I can do it easily. Otherwise, it is 2A we have, yes or no? If I add everything, 2A plus 2B plus 2C. If 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 15 plus 17 plus 20, how much it will be? 20 plus 32, 52 parts, 52x. Actually 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to, if I take it 2 common, can I write it A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C is equal to 26. Okay, I mean if I solve that equation, okay, that is a ABC value is equal to 26 parts. Now think the question. A gives 500 from is the share to C. The ratio of ABC is this. So we know now A is to B is to C also I can find out. Okay, how to find out this value? ABC I know total 26. Now I need to find out A value in this ratio. How to find out? That is very important. Tell me how to find out this value. Now you know this. You try now. It is very easy now. Almost we solved. ABC you know total. A plus B you know 15. Can I find out? See, ABC is total 26. Correct? What is the A plus B value is? 15. Can I write it C value? Yes or no? Because ABC is total 26. I know A plus B value. A plus B value is 15. Can I write it C value? How much it will be C value? 11. And ABC is total 26. I know C is 11 means, can I write it B is 6? Yes or no? B is 6. Otherwise, C plus A is 20 means, can I write B is 6? Both are same answer. Is it clear? I want A value now. If I need A value, can I take B plus C is 17? Which means A will be 9. Otherwise, I know B value is 6. A plus B is 15. B value is 6. Then A value will be 9. Same answer you will get. Okay, now I know A, B, C is individually 9 is to 6 is to 11. Okay, so using this statement I am calculated. I hope it is clear. Is it online students? Are you able to clear voice and video? Let me know once. Zoom students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 9 is to 6 is to 11. Now I will give, already I gave for A 9x rupee, actual meaning 6x rupee, 11x rupee. Already I distributed. I have already some amount. I already distributed like this. Now I will give, I have some amount, 500 rupee I will give to whom? C, which means I will increase this 500 rupee. Here I give 500 rupee to C, which means I am increasing 500 rupee to C. Okay, then ratio will change. Okay, if I distribute it to ratio will change. What happened ratio? 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. But ratio I want always integer format. If I need integer format, okay, if I need integer format, I need to convert this. Okay, so 3, 4, 2 LCM will be 12. Okay, 3, 4, 2 LCM will be 12. Then 3, 4 za, 4, 3 za, 2, 6 za. Then ratio become 4 is to 3 is to 6. Then ratio become 4 is to 3 is to 6. One method I can write it 9x minus 500, 11x plus 500 is equal to 4 and 6. Like this also I can write it 9x minus 500, 11x plus 500, then ratio is 4 and 6. I can find out x value. Find out and tell. What is the x value? Just you find out. One way this. But this Yes, how much? 500. X is equal to 500 you will get. If x is equal to basic method, then method 2 I will explain how to get this value. X is equal to 500. If x is equal to 500, can I write it 9? What is the question finally they are asking? What is the sum of the shares of B and C in the beginning? Beginning means 6x and 11x. Yes or no? 6 plus 11, 17x. 17 into 500. 17 into 500, 8500. That is the basic way of solving. Okay. This question, instead of solving like this, it is basics. It is basics. Instead of solving like this, I can observe properties. I am distributed, I am reducing with A only. I gave to C. I am not doing any changes with B. Whatever I distributed starting to B, same thing I have with B also. I want to make this number same, because I am not doing any changes to B. I want here also 6, because I am not giving or I am not taking from B. I want this number same. Can I multiply 2? Okay, if I multiply 2, it will be 8, it will be 6, it will be 12. I will repeat. Okay, this. Now, initially A had 9 rupee. Now A have 8 rupee. Initially C have 11 rupee. Now C have 12 rupee. Which means I gave one part. I am multiplying with 2. Why 2? Because I want to be constant. I want to be constant. Okay, why I need B constant? Because I am not giving to A also, I mean B also, I am not take from B also. Which means B, whatever I have initially, same number I have here also. Okay, for 6 and 3 is LCM will be 6. I want to make 6, so I will multiply by 2. So 9 becomes 8 means I reduced one part, which means C take 1 rupee from A. Now 11 becomes 12, say now. Then A gave one part, but A gave actually in the question how much? 500. That is only X, you got it 500. So here you have to do calculation part. In this method, no calculation, no multiplication, nothing. Okay, one part is equal to 500. I need to find out 6 plus 11, 17 parts how much? Okay, 8500. 17 parts how much? It is basics. Tell me, what's your doubt now? Where you are not?
Why we are multiplying 6 equal is 6?
Yes, this and this I want to make it equal.
Then 8 and 12 is also again both sides. 8 and 12.
Yes.
Difference is 1.
Where you were?
9x minus 8.
Yes.
11x minus 12.
Yes.
Difference is 1. One's value is 500.
Yes.
But if there is other like 4 or 6 there, 4 or 7, then
Where 4 or 7?
the ratio. Okay.
4? Year 7?
Different,
Year 7?
ratio then.
Definitely won't come. It won't come. Definitely it will come like this only. Okay, that's the ratio property. That's the ratio beautiful. Okay, you are giving one part means definitely you will increase one part only. Definitely it will happen. No worry about that. Okay, tell me what's your doubt? This, this part. See, what the concept name is. For example, say observe here. I gave for B 6 rupee. Forget about maths. I gave 6 rupee to B. I gave 9 rupee to A. I gave 11 rupee to C. Starting. Now I reduced from A some amount, 500 rupee I reduced. Now it become 4. Year 3, year 6. But are you reducing from B? Or are you increased from B? No. I am not reducing, I am not increasing, anything I am not doing means whatever I had B initially, here also I want same number. I am not doing any operation to B. I gave starting 6 rupee. Now also you should have 6 rupee, right? Okay, I am not doing anything to B. Okay, then I want to make this person equal. To make it equal, always LCM concept I will use. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. I want to make it 6 here. Okay, to make it 6, I will multiply it by 2. Is it clear? Now concept. This is important. Is it overriding? Online students, is it clear? Reply all. if it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this. Clear now? Understood completely. Yes. You try this question. I'll give you time. You try. Online students also try to solve this question. Anyone? DTDC as a delivery 1110 to 3 cities ABC in the ratio 2:3:10. However, due to computer error, the shipment received in the cities ABC were in the ratio 2:3, 1:4, 1:9. How many items were meant to be sent to city C finally to meet the demand? Very simple and very important question. You
Last sentence mean how many items need to be sent to CTC finally to meet the demand.
Ah.
It means
What is the
how
error?
what is the wrong part?
See, I have 1110 courier. I mean letters. Okay, items. Actually, I need to send like this. Actually, A, B, C is a city. I need to send 2 parts to A, 3 parts to B, C part 10 parts to C. Actually, I need to send like this, which means I can calculate also. How much A, by using this, how much A will get, how much city B, how much C will get. By miss, I'm sending 2/3. By miss, I'm sending 2/3 to A, 1/4 to B, 1/C to like this. I'm sending. Means ratio I can do again. Basic method. Then I will do method 2 also. So always I told you ratio always it should be integer. 2, 3, 4, 9 LCM will be 36. So I will multiply with 36 all the numbers. Then it will be 3 12s, 12 2s, 24. 4 9s, 9 2s, 18. Then 9 4s, 4 9, yeah, 9, not 18, because that there is only, yeah, 9. Then 9 4s, 4 1s, 4. I am extending like this. If I do basic method, method 2, method 1, both I will explain. Method 1 will be 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 10 15. 15 parts is equal to 1110. One part is equal to, then I will explain method 2. No need to calculate actually like this, but basics first understand. 1 part is equal to this, otherwise x. 1 part means, remember, x it is. So if I solve that equation, you will get, so can I write it this number like this, 2220 divided by 30? I can do like this also. Okay, I can do like this also. Now 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 74, one part. Then 2 parts is equal to 74 into 2. How much 74 into 2? 148. Okay, 148 later I have to send actually to A. But then 3 parts. 2 10 plus 12. 2 10 plus 12. 222. Okay. Then 10 parts is equal to 740. By miss I am sending like this now. Again I need to same letters, right? I am sending 110 letters only. Again 24 plus it will be 13. 24 plus 13 how much? 37. Okay, 37 parts is equal to 1110. Can I write it? 1 part is equal to 30. This number is the most important number, you remember. 111 and the relation with 37. 37 into 3 is a 111. Even 67 is most important number in aptitude. 67 into 3, 201. Remember these two numbers. Most of the times it is repeated numbers in your calculation. Yeah, it will come in quadratic equation also. I told you there also it's a most important number. Okay, it will come. Usually it will come. Most of the times it will come. Okay, 37 and 67 it will come. Most of it. So, if you remember that number easily, I can calculate 37 111 here. How means the one part is equal to 30. Then 24 means 24 into 30. 24 3s that will be 72. 720 later. 9 into 30 that will be 9 3s 27. 30 into 4 34s 120. Now by miss I am sending like this. By miss I am sending like this. Now what's the question they are asking? How many items were meant to be sent to C finally meet the demand? Actually I need to send 740. I need to send 740. By miss I am sending 120. To meet the demand I need to send another 620. Okay, another 620 letters I need to send. So that will be your answer. Okay, it is a very basic way.
Only they asking about C.
Yes, C only. What they are asking, I can do it. Okay, so to meet the demand, actually I need to send 740. By miss I am sending only 120. To meet the demand means how many? By miss I am sending 120 means 600 I am not sending. To meet that 740, I need to send another 620 letters. Okay, that's the meaning of this question. Okay.
Sir, if you calculate the direct, we don't have to take it directly from ratio.
No. It is different ratio. It is different ratio. I want to build a relationship. Then I can calculate. That is the method too. Always ratio I want. This is one ratio. This is one ratio. If I do relationship like previous one ratio above like this. Here I have one ratio. Here I have one ratio. Directly I can't take it. But I created a relationship. Then I can compare. Okay. Here also I want to create a relationship using properties.
Because then the total is equal.
Yeah, here also I want to, yes, what you observe, that I want to make it equal. Okay, see that is the method too. Total is equal.
Second part, ratio
24?
9 is to 4.
Mm.
Why we take the value of 1110, the value given for only for first ratio.
See, you have 1000 rupee. You and your friend and one more, 3 friends. You have to distribute this 200 rupee, 300 rupee, 500 rupee. You have to give like this actually. By miss, you are distributed like this. 500, 300, 200. Same amount only you are distributed. Understood?
In question we given
This is a law concept, right? 1110 I have in one bag. See, very simple concept. Just you understand. Here, bag A, city B, city C. I'm sending 600 letters here, 400 letters here, example. Here 200 letter. Courier by miss, that is the thing, this is the error. By miss, instead of going this letter A, it will go C. it will go A. By miss event, the meaning is you have totally same letters. It is a default way you have to understand. Okay, they won't give everything. It is a hidden data. Okay, you have to understand that.
37 what?
Tell me. 37.
37. Because if we add 24 plus 9 plus 4,
Mm.
so we have to totally add what?
Yes, total. Total if I add, that will be 37. Clear? Okay, write on this. Method 2 will do it. Method 1 it is. Analyst students, is it clear? Let me know once.
Yes, sir.
What? See, now this question how I am going to solve in another way. Means this is exam point of view. This is basic method. Instead of doing like this, I am distributed 2 parts, 3 parts, 10 parts initially. By miss, I am doing like this: 24, 9, 4. But we already know we distributed same amount or same letters. Here I have total 2 plus 3, 10. I mean 5. 5 plus 10, 15 letters I have here. But here 24 plus 9 plus 4. Here 37 letters I have. First I want to make these numbers are constant. Instead of taking LCM, I will multiply here 37 because 37 and 37 is a prime number. So just reverse order multiplication. Here I will multiply 15, which means here all the numbers I have to multiply with the 37. Here all the numbers I have to multiply with 15. Now only concentration on C part. Okay, only concentrate on C part. Okay, so now total letter will be this much: 15 into 37. Here also total letter will be 37 into 15. It is equal to 3110. Okay, but now I distributed 370 letter starting to C. By miss, now I am distributed only 60 letter. 15 4s are 60. To meet the demand, I need to send 310 letter. I need to send 310 letter. Okay, now say now. Now I need to compare with original number. Starting how much I have means 15 into 37 part I have initially. It is equal to, can I write 1110? Now 37 ones are 37 30s. Okay, 15 parts is equal to 30 again. 1 part is equal to, I can write it 2. Actually I need to send 370 letter to C. By miss I am sending 60 letters only, which means to meet the demand I need to send another 310 letter. Then 1 part is equal to 2. 310 part is equal to how much? 310 into 2, 620 letter I need to send. This is method in exam point of view. Okay, so write down this also. This is method 2, you should understand. Clear? Understood now? This part. Try same type question, small change. Try this. What is the question? Mohan wanted to distribute a rupees 7,500 rupee to ABC in the ratio P, R plus 3 and R instead of 4, 5, 6. Then A and B would have gained 400 rupee, 500 rupee respectively. Same type question as it is previous module, as it is question. So some instead of, it is a mains concept, variables. Okay, so try to solve this question, easy only. Actually originally you have to distribute it 4, 5, 6. Okay, so finally he distributed P, R plus 3, R instead of, see, Mohan wanted to distribute 7,500 among ABC in the ratio P, R plus 3, R instead of 4, 5, 6, which means he actually want to distribute 4, 5, 6. Okay, but now by miss he distributed P, R plus 3, R ratio. That is the meaning of that. Think here, very important is this part. Then A and B would have get only 4 and 500 respectively. Find the value of P. See, in the clearly they said, last question we solved like this as it is. Only A and B only changed. Only A and B change means I want to make it C constant. Okay. Yeah. So I want to make it 6, I need to multiply to make it constant. Above I need to find out, means I need to make it R constant. So you try first, then I will explain. Basic means also, previously basic means also explained. Variables only, here you have to think variables. Yeah, just no worry, I will explain. Easy only, not so difficult. First distributed 4, 5, 6, 7,500. You do that. Then you think. First distributed 7,500 to ABC 4, 5, 6. Then I will give a clue. Okay, 1200. Okay. Then is it no, 7,500 is not that. If you whatever said, it is 3,000 something. I will get whatever said. Solve properly. Shall I do?
2,500.
Okay, good. Let's solve it. I will solve this question. Tell me, initially I have 7,500 rupee. I am distributed 4 is to 5 is to 6. Very important is this. Very, very important. Tell me one thing. Means if I calculate this value, can I write it 15 parts is equal to 7,500? 15 parts is equal to 7,500. Can I write 1 part is equal to 500? If 1 part is equal to 500, 4 parts is equal to A will get 2,000 starting. Then B will get 2,500. Then 3,000. I gave like this starting. Okay, let's see who are joined in online. Others try to reply. No one is replying. Okay, say now. Now clearly they said A and B would gain means they increased. Now A will same amount. By miss I am doing like this. Okay, A I will give 400 rupee extra. B I will give 500 rupee extra. Same amount I have, 7,500 only I have. In that amount, by miss I'm doing like this distribution. A I gave 2500, B I gave 3000 rupee, which means I need to reduce 900 rupee with C. I need to reduce 900 rupee with the C, which means now we have 2100 rupee. Now the ratio, if I do ratio again, this again, now I can do ratio this. If I do ratio, 20, 20, 20 get cancelled, 3 8s are, 3 10s are, 3 7s are. Now the ratio is P is to R plus 3 is to R now. Okay, now R value will be 7, P value will be 8. Then P plus R is equal to, how much it will be? 7, 8 plus 7, 15. That will be your answer. That's it. Is the RRB clear?
They are running the ratio. Do ratio, I think P
Okay. So like this we can solve it. Important point. Is it clear? Only students wants to reply. Is it clear, Hemavati, Alankrit,
Yes, sir.
Sharanya?
Yes.
Okay. Understood? Clear? Fine. This is the question important. Yesterday we solve these questions. Which of the following can be determined only using A is to B 3 by 3 is to 4? These are the questions. Which values you can be determined? This is a thing. You think these questions. How to solve? First you try, then I will explain.
And this B clear. A is to B, 3 is to 4.
3A plus 5B, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4.
Equal to.
Yeah. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, that is. Which value I can be solved? Which one I can solve? Can I solve this question? Okay. Can I solve this question? Okay. Can I solve this question?
sir, square is whole square, 2 whole square, a square.
Which one? Fifth one, 2A square only. Not 2A whole square, 2A square only.
How can we find out the exact value?
My question is only ratio. Can we find out ratio?
Only this.
Ratios only. Which of the following can be determined only using ratio? I need to find out ratio. Okay, only I need to find out ratio, not exact value, ratio only. Tell me. All can we find out? Okay. Can we find out this? Then can you find out this? Yesterday only we discussed this. Remaining all you can. What is the property? Yesterday we discussed this. So remember how we can calculate ratio means if it is degree is 1, all the numbers degree should be 1. A degree is 1, all the other side degree will be 1 only. If degree is 2, all the A degree should be 2 only. Maximum. If it is 1 also no problem. But highest degree 2 means that is also 2.
2 means 12.
Yeah, 2 if it is degree is 2. If it degree is 3, all the other numbers are 3. Otherwise it won't cancel. Yesterday I discussed this. Okay, it will be remain x. So here I will explain. 3 into 3, A value is 3x, B value is 4x. 3 into 3x plus 5 into B value is 4x divided by 7 into A value will be 3x. Okay, 7 into 3x. Now 3 into 3, 9x plus 5 into 4, 20x divided by 7 into 3, 21x. Now 9 plus 20, 29x divided by 21x. I can find out 29 by 20 is the answer. But if I take it this question, first I will explain. Let's take it first this question. Okay, this question I will explain. Then you will understand. Yesterday I solved this, but you might. That's why you should work out same day. Now if I solve that equation, 7a square. A square means 3x whole square. Okay, plus 4b. 4b means 4 into 4x divided by 5a. 5 means 3x. Tell me.
Yes, exact value is 3 and B is
Not exact value. Who said exact? It is a ratio, right? It is a ratio. There clearly they are given. It may be you can write it 6, you can write it 8, you can write it 9, you can write it 12, any number. Okay, that's why I am writing 3x and 4x. Okay, they are not. This is a ratio. Clearly they are given. Okay, then 5 into 3x into 3 into 4x. Now you can't solve this, x won't cancel. 1x it will be remained. If I solve that equation, 1x will be remained. Then ratio I can't find out. Okay, ratio I can't find out. Here also this constant will be remained. Okay, ratio I can't find out. Okay, so degree will be I always that same degree. Here a square, here also it should be a square. Anyway, b square it may be anything. But if I have b square numerator, very important is that. Okay, same degree it should be there. Then only it will be cancelled. Otherwise it won't cancel. Remember it. Degree should be always constant. Okay, in all the numbers. Here I have b is 2 degree. Here also b should be 2 degree. Okay, then only it will be cancelled. Okay, otherwise it won't cancel. Remember this property. Like this we can determine whether we can solve or not, whether we can find out or not. This concept where it will be used data sufficiency. Okay, we have one equations. Okay, 2 equations, simple equations, even algebra concept. Okay, it's more important. Only properties you have to remember. If I have only degree is constant, only I can find out values, I mean ratios. Otherwise I can't solve. That you have to remember. Okay, this one will solve it. So we'll go wait at this mains level. We'll go simple calculation first. This all mains level. First prelims level we finish it. Then we'll go for mains level. Better. Prelims level first will. Again, once prelims level finished, we'll go for mains level. See this question. Dhanush, let me know audio is clear in YouTube. Let me know, Dhanush. So read this question. Very important concept. Now, what once you read this question, what you need to find out? What you need to find out? Let me know. After reading this question, what you have to find out? Very important. I will solve, no worry. But
How
read.
many have applied?
Yes, how many we have applied? Applied means what? Selected and unselected is applied. Yes or no? Reply all. Selected plus unselected will be applied. Then what is the answer? Very, very, very important. Easy only, not so difficult. Easy concept. Easily we can solve. Observe here. 35 less had applied, 10 less selected, then ratio of the selected and unselected would have been 3:5. Actually 3:5. So how many candidates had applied if the ratio of selected unselected was 14:25? Okay. 39 multiple, 13 multiple, maybe this is the answer in exam point of view. I will explain, don't worry. If I don't know how to solve this question, I can select this option and I will go. I will take chance. If I have none of these also, if I don't know how to solve. But you have to know how to decide your answer in prelims level. See, in mains, previously I am not saying this model because it's a mains content. Mains content I can't decide answers in options. Prelims level concept I can decide my answers. Okay, some questions in especially RRB clerk, 65 to 70% of the questions I can decide my answers without solving. That's why in UP and Jammu Kashmir cutoff will be out of 80, 78, 76 in RRB clerk prelims. Okay, because the questions will be like that. Okay, they will guess answers most of the times. So how to guess answers? First, once you understand question, you will guess it definitely. If you understand question only, you can guess it. The question actually, it is an exam question. Actually question is like this. Actually question in book, the question is like this. The ratio of the selected and unselected is 14:25. If 35 less had applied, 10 less selected, then ratio would have been 3:5. It is actually question, but they will to do confuse, they will do reverse order also, which means initially I am selected students are 14x students initially. Initially selected students, there is an exam, 14x students are selected. You think 14 students are selected and 25 students are not selected, which means selected plus unselected is called total applied students. Total applied students. Starting 39 members are applied. Final question also that they are asking how many members are applied. Answer should be 39 multiple. 39 multiple I don't know 39 ones are, but I know 13 into 3 ones are table. One concept is whatever you will get in 8 ones are table, it will come 4 ones also, it will come 2 ones also. Whatever it will come 39 ones are table, it will come 13 ones also, it will come 3 ones also. If I don't know 39 ones are table, I will go with the 13 ones are table. Okay, 30. But whatever it will come 13 ones are table, it won't come 39 ones are table. But reverse order it will be. Clear, right? Okay. See, whatever it will come 4 ones are table, it won't come in 8 ones. But whatever it will come 8 ones are table, it will come 4 ones.
So I cannot understand question. They also given 3:5 ratio also.
I will explain. That also I will explain. Now you understood this part. This part you understood. Now let's do it basics first. Okay. In exam, how I am deciding, that I am explaining. Now, initially, say very important now. Initially 14x students are applied initially and 25x selected, not applied, selected is initially 14x and unselected is 25, which means total applied students will be 39x. Now tell me, what is this 35 according to you? 13. Starting 39x applied. Yes, starting 39x applied. Now if the question is that if 35 less applied instead of 39x, now 35 students are not applied. 10 less selected. Now I need to select, take this. Now 14x students applied initially. Now 10 members are not selected. If not selected, then ratio will change. What is the ratio now? 3:5. But 3 is a selected, 5 is a unselected. Which means here, tell me what I have to write now. Think. 8, right? It is selected, it is unselected. Agar total how much? 8. Here I have to write it 8 because it is a total. I need to compare with the total only. Okay, it is a selected. I need to take it for selected only. Now do cross multiplication and tell me answer. Do it. Do. I will explain. 1 second, completely I will explain over. Just write down and solve this question. And tell me your answer also. Yeah, what is the answer? 190. That will be your answer. X is how much you will get? X 5. If x is equal to 5, I need to find out 39x. This value I need to find out. That will be your answer. Done.
Now please explain the second one.
Second one means this.
First time you example
I will repeat. Let's take it same example.
because I don't understand.
No problem. The same example. If I instead of explaining same question, let's take it this question.
Can you explain this one? How it's called 3 from 14x minus 10?
49.
14x minus 10.
Where it is 40?
39x is total.
Yes.
In that 35% applied.
35 less applied.
Less applied.
That's why minus. Initially 39x members applied. Initially. Now 35 students are less applied. Instead of 39x, now 35 students not applied.
Why do you take 8? It's a total number of 3:5.
What is this according to you? What is this? What is this? What is this? This.
Out of 39.
It is called total students. Yes or no? Applied. Total students applied. Now, initially 39x applied. Now 35 members not applied. Which means now how many applied I will get, right? Now the ratio they are given. 3 members are selected, 5 members are not selected means 8 members are applied now. Initially it is. Finally it is. You will understand this. Write down this. You think this question and you guess answer first. First read question. How many jobs? See, it is actually question. In previous question they may do confuse. It is actually question. Now read. How many job applicant had applied? I need to find out. If selected is to unselected is 21 and 23. 21 is selected, 23 is unselected. Which means how many applied? 44. 44 means it is 11 and 4. 11 multiple, this is also, this is not. 3 plus 6, 9, it is not. 3 plus 8, not. Maybe in these two options, one option. 11 multiple will be the answer. Is it clear? You got clear that one? Now let's solve basics also. observe. Now you understand. Sir, sir.
Previous question, by using shortcut, how we can get 195?
13 multiple. I am dividing all the numbers with 13.
13 or
1 3 1 3 1 3
so
13.
So 13 into 3 is 39.
Yes.
So you are taking both the values.
No, only first one, any one value I will take.
Anyway.
Because 3 multiple are most all options are 3 multiple here. I can take it 13 also, I can take it 3 also. But if I observe, all the options are 3 multiple only. Okay, most of the options are 3 multiple. That's why I am selected 13 here. See, it is also 3 multiple, yes or no? Okay, it is also 3 multiple. Okay, even it is also 3 multiple. Okay, so I am selected 13, then I will check it. Here also 11 and 4, but all options are 4 multiple. Okay, then I will select it for 11. Okay, like that I can guess my answer here.
But here none of these are.
Yeah, maybe none of these also chances. But if I don't know how to solve in exam, I will select it. Okay, even I don't have time. Last 3 seconds, 4 seconds, I got this question. I can guess my answer. I can mark it because I may get 1 mark. But 100% chances is there. Maybe none of these chances, only 5%. 95% chances answer. But 5% maybe none of this possible. Okay, but I will take chance. Okay, in prelims. Okay, let's solve it. Now, initially 21 X members are selected. Initially. And 23 X members are not selected. Which means 44 X members are applied. Always original number what they said, that ratio I have to take it. Now if 1100 less add applied, now you have to take it this number. Initially 44 X members are applied. Instead of this member, now 1100 members are less applied. Clear? Okay, so 110 members less applied. Now very important, here clear. 150 more members are selected. Which number I have to take? 21. 21 X members are initially selected. Now 150 more members are selected. Plus 150 more members plus. Then ratio change. Okay, what happened ratio? 1:1 selected and unselected. Which means selected members is 1 part, unselected part is 1 part, which means applied will be 2 parts. Yes or no? Now this is applied means I have to compare with the 2 parts. Okay, this is selected means I have to apply it for 1 part. Now solve that equation, X value you will get.
In question, they are also asking for unselected question.
See, I am converting that only. See, that's why you have to observe original number. See, it is selected, it is unselected. What is the meaning of selected plus unselected? It is equal to total. What is the original number? What is this 1100?
Total value.
Applied. Now I have to take it applied only. What is this 150?
Selected.
Then I will take it selected only. If they said unselected is 150, then I will take this. Write on this. And solve that equation. Online students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
None of these also? Okay, maybe right. None of these also possible. What is the answer you got? 27 275. Yeah, 11 multiple. Answer should be definitely 11 multiple. Answer, that's why none of these also possible. But answer should be 11 multiple only. 275 also 11 multiple. Maybe possible. That's also possible. None of these also possible. That's why it is also possible. But take chance if you don't know to solve like these questions and you don't have time to solve. Take chance. We have to take chance instead of leaving, because I can guess either this or probability is 50% probability.
So like this type of question, we can give that 1100 or 150. Like by seeing the ratio itself, by totaling we can get the answer directly. We can.
Yes. Clear now? You got it, X answer here. So everyone, X how much you got it? 6, 20, 5. Then I need to find out 44 into 625. How to multiply this equation? Anyone? How you are solving? You are multiplying 4, 5 are 20, like that you are doing? This part. You are finally X got you to 625. Then you have to find out 44X. 625 into 4, good.
Then 4.
Means 40. 40, good. That is one way. That is one way. Another way, can I write this equation 11 into 4 into 625? Because 11 multiplication is easy. Okay, first I will multiply with 4, then 11 multiplication easy. Because we know shortcut, how to multiply with 11. Okay, that method I have to observe. Tell me, what is the doubt?
Sir, exactly 700.
700, huh? Then check it, answer.
1400, 300.
700, huh? Okay.
1100 plus 300. 1400.
Okay, let's solve it full, no confuse. 44x, 2x is the difference, correct? 2x is the difference. Then 1100, see, no, here you have to not subtract, you have to add. 1100 plus 300. We have to add because symbols is different. Different means if it comes this side, it will be same. Okay, 1100 plus 300, which means 1400. Okay, x is equal to 700. Then into 44. Okay, that will be your answer. Now we easily can multiply that instead of 625. Why in previous case you were getting 60? 30?
30,800.
This is also 11 multiple, right? 3 plus 8. See, 11 2s are 22, remaining 8, 11 8s are 88. That is also possible again. So, this I am not observed. We have to take that also. This is also 11 multiple. But the answer should be 11 multiple.
Sir, answer 1100 minus 100.
Yavudu?
44 into 30,800.
30,800.
1000 minus 100.
Yeah, okay.
How many job applicants?
Question ಕೇಳಿದ how many job applicant add applied ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
100,000
ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1100 ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗಿದು 1100 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್.
In this question we can't use the option method because we can get
Two options. Yeah, you can't solve. Even none of these two options I can't solve this question. Using option I can't tell. Because 3 options possible. None of these also possible. 44 also possible. Then don't choose. If I have 2 options, then I will choose. Probability if I don't know solve. So solve this question. Same type question as it is question. Solve this question. Same question. Tell me, very important, in an examination success to failure means selected to unselected. Selected to unselected ratio is 7:4. At the number of failure being 28 more, then the success to failure ratio would have been 13:9. The total number of candidates who appeared for the exam was 11 multiple. Check 11 multiple. It is also 11 multiple. It is not. 11 5s it is possible. because 11 5s are 55, remaining will be again 6. It is also possible, it is not, it is also possible. Okay, so I can't decide my answer using 11 multiple, all options are 11 multiple. Then you solve that equation. So if I solve that equation, tell me this: at the number of failure bin, here very important is this, at the number of failure bin 28, number of failure, here only one number they are given. Now see, according to that number we have to write the equation. Now say now, initially 7x and 4x, initially 7x and 4x. What is this? Success and failure. Now 28 failure, at the number of failure being 28 more, initially 4x is a failure. Now failure is extra, 28 extra. Okay, then the success to failure ratio is 13:9. Okay, 13:9. The total of candidate who appeared in the exam I need to find out. Very simple question, you try to do it first. Only you have to take that comparison. You try to do it and I will explain. Easy question, not so difficult question, but you try first. See here, very important one, logic also you have to apply. Logic. Say now, logic what? I will explain logic. Tell me one thing, very important logic here, most of the students will do wrong here, be careful. I have students, 7x students selected, 4x students are not selected. One thing tell me, it is selected, initially it is selected. I mean selected means success only. Okay, initially it is selected 7x. Initially, 4x member not selected means failure students. Now 28 members failure extra, which means definitely this 28 member will reduce here. Understood or not? See, in a class, first exam, yeah, I will tell. First exam, first internal, these members are passed, these members are failed. Now next exam, 2 members are failed. More means who are passed in previous exam, they are failed now. Okay, they are failed now. Understood, right? So very important concept this is also. Now ratio will be, what is the ratio success to failure? 13:9. So when you are solving this equation, 7x is the initially passed student. Now they reduce to 28, which means they are failed now, 28 students. Initially 4x members are failed students. They are increased now 28 failed students. Then ratio become 13:9. Whatever ratio we have, whatever numbers we have, according to that we have to take. Here it is more important point. 28 students are more failure. Okay, more failure means 28 students are less. Okay, write on this. It is important concept, important type.
We can subtract from the total.
Not total, selected. See, who are failed? See, it's a logic question completely. See, in a college, 20 members, just forget about numbers. If you see, whenever if you think the questions will be maths, definitely completely concept wrong. You think very concept, very practical way. 20 students are passed starting, 10 members are failed starting one exam. Now I said 2 more members are failed. 2 more members are failed. These 2 more members are failed means who are failed passed from previously, they are failed, which means here 2 members are reduced. Okay, most important, solve this question and tell me answer x. What is the x answer? Okay, solve that equation.
56.
Okay,
By seeing this directly we can say 448.
616 also 11 multiple.
Six is the answer, sir.
Okay, see, 616 is answer. That's
Sir, this type of question after initially
mm.
is the answer.
Yeah,
Initially what-
they are asking that only. The total number of candidates who appeared for the exam was. Was means starting.
Okay.
Okay, starting. Starting, that is our answer. Is means now.
Sir, first I take 7x. I didn't take 7x minus 10 did. I only take 7x.
That's why everyone will do mistake here.
But how can we get the total number of candidates?
Here total number of candidates, add it now. X is equal to what you will get. What you got x? X something you got, right? X what? What you got x?
It's 56, sir.
56. If x is 56, 7 plus 4, 11 into 56 if you multiply, you will get total. Okay, it is a 7 plus 4. Okay, it is a 56. Clear? Even if you add here also, you will get same answer. Okay, 13 plus 9, that is 22 multiple. I mean, you can do it. No? We have failed, right? After, right? Yeah. Yes. Question is initially. I need to find out initially. Okay, anyway, let's solve this question. Same kind, small difference. In a bag, the ratio between black and white balls was A is to B if 2 black balls were added to bag and 6 white balls were removed from the bag. The ratio between black and white balls becomes 6:7. Same kind of question. Same kind of question. You try to do it. So what is the question they are asking? Remove the ratio of the black and white 6. If the total number of balls in the bag initially was 160, I need to find out A and B. Okay, you have to find out A and B. So how many balls are you removed? That I need to find out. Easy question, not so difficult question. Initially there is a number. In a bag, the ratio of the black and white ball is A is to B. I need to find out initial ratio. Starting A is to B is the balls. Now, two black and white. Yeah, A is a black. 2 black balls are removed, added. Sorry, not removed, added, and 6 white balls are removed. Then ratio of the between black and white balls will be 6:7. Reverse order you go, you will get answer easily. Otherwise you can go A plus 2, B minus, but initially I know 160. Okay, now can I write it? 2 balls are added, 6 balls are removed means totally overall 4 balls are removed? Yes or no? Initially 160 balls are there. Now I added 2 balls. I removed 6 balls. Overall effect will be 4 balls are removed. Okay, which means now I have 156 balls. Sorry, 154 balls. Okay. No, 6 balls. Yeah, 156 because 4 balls are removed. 156. Now can I write 6 plus 7, 13 parts? 13 parts is equal to 156. 1 part is equal to 12. 6 parts is equal to 12 6 12 7 Now I have 72 balls after adding, which means here I have 70 balls. Okay, now I have 84 after removing. Now if I am not removing, I have 90 balls. Yes or no? Then your ratio will be 7:9. No, just I will explain.
Can you explain basic multiplication?
Sir, the mixture and addition is same type question.
No, that is different. Allegation is different.
No, mixture not mixture and addition, sir. Mixture. In mixture there add something to do alcohol and water.
Yeah, maybe right. Yes.
So this, can we write this one by adding to A plus 2 by B minus 6?
Okay, see now. You know initial number. If you do basic method, A of 160, out of 160, A is this much. Now I will add 2 balls. Okay, Now B is initially this much out of 160. Now I removed how much? 6 balls. Then ratio is 6:7. This is a basic way if I solve it.
Basically, it's up to 7a plus 6b is equal to something under 6a plus
Uh-huh.
6b.
Tell me.
No, I'm not just.
Tell me. Whatever you solve.
Sorry, a plus 2
A plus.
2
Okay.
divided by b minus 6 is equal to.
See, A is a where see. Okay, you are writing A is the balls plus 2 you are added. Okay, fine.
Divided by
Mm.
b minus 6 is
Okay,
equal to
B minus 6 is equal to.
6/7.
One thing, tell me. Okay, if I solve that equation, I will get A plus B.
A plus b, sir.
Oh, I mean A is to B. Solve that equation.
Sir, then I have 6a plus 6b is equal to 960 also there.
What you will get? 6A. If I solve that equation, what you will get? A by B, what you will get?
A plus 6b is equal to minus 6b is equal to 50.
I will try to say whatever you say. 7 into A, 7A plus 14. 6 into B, 6B minus 36. This you got it. Now I will shift it number one side.
Minus 6b.
Equation I will get 7A minus 6B is equal to, if I shift this number, you will get how much? Minus answer only you will get.
No, sir, plus. Okay.
Yeah, minus only you will get, right? It
Okay.
minus 36 and minus 14 you will get. Minus 36 and minus 15 will be minus 50.
Then I already have in the question.
If you want to, if you want to calculate this equation, you can. I mean, you can write it. If you want to cancel negative, you can write reverse also. Now tell me what you. A plus
in
B.
the question, sir, 6a plus 7a plus 6a plus 6b.
Where I have 6A plus 6B.
The ratio, no, sir.
This ratio.
No, a plus b is equal to
A plus
6b.
B. Solve that equation. A plus B is equal to 160.
160.
Okay. I will calculate this equation with 6
sir.
because I can calculate. Now I can add this equation. 7A 6A, that will be 13A. It will get cancelled. 6 into 160, that will be 16 6 960 and 50. That will be how much? 8. Sorry, 9 10. Then A is equal to same 7. I mean 70. Then if I substitute here A value, 7 into 70, 490. If it comes this side, minus 490. Yes or no? Then minus 6B is equal to minus 490 means 540. Correct? Okay. Now minus get cancelled. Then B is equal to 90. Then A value is equal to 70. B value is equal to 90. Then ratio will be 7:9. That only I am getting in previous method what I saw. Let's solve it once again. But is it? Think this method in prelims method is it? Okay. But you should know. You should know. That's good. Good to try actually. You should know this kind of methods. It's a maths. But let's solve this question whatever I am saying in logic way. Okay, logic way is this. This is also basic method. You can get instead of this complete equation here also you will get if you solve that equation. So another way of solving this equation you can do like this. Observe here clearly now. What I am saying, what I am doing here. So initially I have A and B. A balls I have. It is a logic way of thinking in aptitude. Initially A and B I have, but if I add both, it will be 160. Now I will add 2 more balls, extra balls. Already I have 160 balls. I will add 2 more balls. I removed 6 balls from white and black. Overall you will removed 4 balls. Yes or no? Overall you removed 4 balls from 160. Now you have 156 balls. Yes or no? 156 balls. Now is it clear? Back side. So you understood, right? You understood this one? Now I know what is the ratio after adding, after removing. I know how many white balls are there, how many black balls are there in the ratio. How many black balls and white balls are there? 6:7. Now I can calculate how many here how many balls, white balls, how many black balls, which means 6:7 means total 13 parts, 13x. 13x is equal to 156. One part is equal to 13 12s, 13 ones, 13 twos, 12 parts. 6 parts is equal to, now I have 72 balls. Now after adding black balls, now I have 72. How many balls? Initially I don't know. Now I have 72. Now here I have 12 sevens. How much? Sorry. This 84. Now one thing, when you have 72, this is when after adding. Initially a balls I have. Now I will add 2 more balls. Now I have 72 balls. I want a value, which means a had initially 2. If it comes this side, it will be 70 balls. B had initially B balls, white balls. Now I removed 6 balls. Now B has 84 balls, which means B value is equal to 6. If it comes this side, it will be 90. That is the A and B value, 70 and 90. The ratio will be 7:9. Is it clear? So this is a way we can think it. Write on this method. That previous, one more method that you can copy it afterwards. Same answer you will get there also. Clear now? You understood this one, this part? Try this one question. And from Saturday, from 6:30 will be the class. 6:30 to 8 I will take. Morning. Not every day, weekly 2 days or 3 days maximum. Remaining days as usual. Okay. Because I have weekly 2 days other place at 8:30.
Only Saturday?
No, from Saturday. From Saturday, weekly, next 2-3 months, weekly 2 days, sometimes 3 days. Okay. So after this month, I will start Sunday also, because RRB. Because August we will get RRB. So I will do Sunday also classes. Okay. After notification, once it will come. I think another maximum 15 days it will come. Okay, June mid it will come notification. So we'll do Sunday also, but late we'll do. Okay, Sunday, not morning time. So late we'll do. Or online or anything. I will do evening time. If you are all okay, evening time also I will conduct online classes while exam time. Morning and evening both will do. Finish syllabus will do soon. Okay, both the days, online, evening time, morning, like that I will plan that. Okay, once notification will happen. So this is also easy question, not so difficult question. The ratio of ages of A and B is x:y. Okay, if A's age is increased by 3 years, B's age is increased by 2 years. Same question. Given the sum of their actual age is 93, find the actual ratio of their ages initially. I need to find out. That's it. You can write it initially A starting. Now plus 3 is increased. B's age is B's increased by 2 years. B plus 2. Then 24 is to 25. Then A is to B, you will get it. Same equation method. Otherwise, now this is their actually age is 93. his age is increased by 2, his age is increased by 3. Now total I can get. Now that method also. Same previous question as it is. You try this question and tell me answer. Same previous question I can do. Yeah, do it. Same method I can do it. See, as it is, 93 plus 5. How much 93 plus 5? 98. Yes. 98, 24, 25 means 49, means 48 and 50. Yes or no? Okay. 3 years decrease, increase, means it will be 45. 2 years it is decrease, which means 48. This will be your answer. Do it ratio. 3 15s, 3 16s. That will be your answer. I will repeat. So as it is previous, nothing is changed. Previous question only. Here balls there, here ages, only that. Initially this person age is X. Initially this person age is Y. Initially. Now his age is increased by. They are not traveling. His age I am increased ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು increase ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. His age is increased by 3, which means I am added 3 balls. Understood? His age is increased by 2 balls, I mean 2 years, which means I added 2 balls here also. Now initially also I know total you have 93 age if I add. Now I will add 3 years plus 2 years, which means now I added 5 years, which means now the total will be 98. Is it clear? The ratio I have here, the ratio will be 24 and 25. Now total 24x plus 25x 48x, sorry 49x. 49 parts is equal to 98, which means 1 part is equal to 2, which means 24 parts is equal to 48, 5 parts is 25 parts is equal to 50. Now but I don't want now, here I want. Now tell me x value I want. X is initially you are added 3 years. Now that person age is 48, which means x is equal to 48 minus 3 will be 45. Then same thing, y is starting plus 2 years I am added. Now we have 50 years, which means y is initially will be 48. 45, 48 ratio you do it. 3 multiple. You can cancel with the 3. That will be your answer. Easily. Same question as it is, nothing is changed. Only question pattern they change. Option method you can do it. 15 plus 16 31, it should be 93, should be 31 multiple. 21 plus 23 44, it's not multiple of this. 18 plus 19, that will be 37, it's not multiple. Maybe this, but see always sum should be in the factor, ratio should be in the factors, multiples alle irutte. So using option method also you can solve here, or none of these are 31. Clear now? Understood this concept? So I think if it's same concept I will do. Number of males and females, for some males and female needs to the total number, same type question, small change only. You try this question for assignment. Write down question and you try for assignment. Tomorrow we will continue this, or you take photo also. I will upload this PDF only, so you can do it, or you can take it photo also. You try this question for assignment. Okay. The ratio of the number of male and female in society was 5:3. Some new males and female work came for society in the ratio 1:3. At this, the total number of female in the society become 1400, and the ratio of male and female is 4:3, which means 800 and 600. Now you can calculate the number of people in the society before was 5 plus 3 8 multiple, maybe 2 3 options I have, even all options 1000 also 8 multiple, all options are 3 multiple. So I can't solve using this method, I want to solve basic method. Okay, reverse order you have to go, easily you will get. Okay, clue I will go reverse order. Clue I gave reverse order, which means this, you know what is this 1400 after adding. That ratio also I know. Can I find out it will be 800, it will be 600? Because 4 plus 3 7 part is equal to 1400. This is. Can I remove 1x? Can I remove 3x? It is equal to this. Understood? Okay, you can solve like that also. 500 minus 1x, because you are added, these numbers are added, males and females. Then you can solve it. Try, I gave clue and you try to do it. Next class will continue.
Okay. After class, can you upload 10 to 15 questions around this previous topic?
I uploaded in that sheet. Material, you go for free material. You go for in app free material. I uploaded all the PDF. Now I uploaded one PDF.
So not PDF, extra questions.
Extra questions only. Extra questions only. I upload it. Go for IBC app and there you go for free material. There go for documents, aptitude. There ratio topic, ratio proportion type 5, type 4 I have. Once you finish that topic, you will get complete PDF.